dear students, welcome to our online classes. Dear students, in the previous class we done the poem The Naughty Mouse. Today I will read this poem and later I will make you to write the textbook work. So now I will start the poem. So you have to listen carefully and try to sing after me. Okay? The poem The Naughty Mouse. The naughty mouse in my house have a very long tail. He walks around without a sound and eats up Papa's meal. When Papa comes, away he runs, waving his long tail. The naughty mouse in my house has a very long tail. He walks around without a sound and eats up Papa's mail. When Papa comes away he runs, waving his long tail, waving his long tail. Dear students, you have to practice the poem to sing. Now I will make you to write the textbook work. So you have to open your pencil and textbook. Be ready to write the words on the textbook. Dear students, look at here. Here are the interesting words from the poem. Naughty. The first word is naughty. Meaning is someone who behaves badly. Okay, this is the meaning of the naughty word. Second, male. Male means letter. Waving means moving from one side to one side or moving from side to side. See, the both meanings are related to the waving word. Dear students, look at the page number 22, comprehension part. Okay, I will read the main first. Fill in the blanks with the words from that rhyme. Means from the rhyme. From this rhyme, we have to, they given the blanks, we fill in the blanks. We have to write the correct word. The first one I will read. The mouse in my house is dash. Of course, the mouse is a naughty here. So write the naughty word N-A-U-G-H-T-Y. Second one, it has a dash and dash tail. It has a very long tail. So V-E-R-Y, very, L-O-N-G, long. Write it in your book. Okay, the next one, it dash Papa's mail. Eats, E-A-T-S, eats, U-P, up. It eats up Papa's mail. Fourth one, the mouse dash away when Papa comes. The mouse runs away when Papa comes. R-U-N-S, runs. B, vocabulary. Match the words in a column A with the word that sound like them in column B. Rhyming words. Number 1 is done for you. Here are the two columns, column A, column B. Already here bun, B-U-N-S, buns, rhyming word is runs. Already they show here, means they driven the line here. The second one you have to look, T-A-I-L, tail. Tail, rhyming word is M-A-I-L, male. Third one, A-R-O-U-N-D, around. Around, rhyming word is S-O-U-N-D, sound. So draw the line from third word to first word. Next, fourth one, M-O-U-S-E, mouse. The mouse rhyming word is house, H-O-U-S-E, house. So buns, runs, tail, male, around, sound, mouse, house. These are the rhyming words which are in the poem. Dear students, look at here, listen and speak. So in the listening and speaking. In the previous class, already you know the vowels. Okay, vowels and their proper sound also you came to know. So here are the words we have to, I will read now. You have to listen and practice to spell. Sound of English. Say the following words after your teacher. Means I will read now. You have to say after me. Okay, the first one, words. First word, big, B-I-G, big. Second one, S-E-A, M-I-L-L, mill. S-E-A-L, seal. W-I-N-D, wind. W-H-E-E-L, wheel. L-I-F-T, lift. L-E-A-V-E, leave. Dear students, look at here. In these words are written with the two colors. One is black and another one is red. What are the red color letters you see here? These are the vowels. Okay, see A, E. See, these are the vowels. Vowels are A, E, I, O, U. Okay, these are the vowels. Rest of the letters are consonants. What are looking here? V, G, M, L, L, W, D. These are the consonants. Okay. Next, second pair of words. I will read. See, here are pair of words means the sounds are doing the words sounds are in same. See, B-I-T, bit. B-E-A-T, beat. S-H-I-P, ship. S-H-E-E-P, sheep. M-I-L-L, mill. M-E-A-L, meal. L-I-D, lid. L-E-A-D, lid. See, these are the pair of words. Red color letters are the vowels. Rest of the letters are consonants. You have to do this textbook activity in your home. Yes, dear students, have you got how to write the textbook activity? Hope you all follow the same in your textbook. I will meet in the next class. Thanking you.